Get the back. Get back. Get your hands behind your back.
In this video, a routine police check suddenly turns into a chaotic and intense struggle. In Wisconsin, officers attempt to arrest a man with multiple felony warrants. During the arrest, both the suspect and the officer share completely different versions of what happened. This video breaks down the incident, shows how the confrontation unfolded, and explains the legal consequences that followed.
Sit. You wanted to sit.
Can you please keep your hands off of me, sir? Please, I'm trying to. Can y'all please back him away from me?
When the officer approaches him, the man's response is unexpected.
I gotta talk to this gentleman here. Lindsay? Lindsay, stay here.
Oh, no,
stay
no,
here.
no, no. Please don't touch me.
No, you've got a warrant.
No, don't let him touch me, bro.
Lindsay, you've got a warrant. 7682, step it up.
Bro,
A warrant, you're under arrest.
I'm not Lindsay.
Put your hands behind
I'm not Lindsay.
Yes, you are. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, let me get up, please.
No, get on the ground.
I'm trying to. Please, let me. Sir, don't do nothing. I'm trying to.
Put your hands. No, get on the ground. You're under arrest. On the ground. You're under arrest.
You don't have to do all of this. Please, help.
Behind your back. You're under arrest. Stop.
I can't breathe, sir. Please.
Put your hands behind your back. You can put your hands behind your back right here. Right here.
Let me.
Okay, stand up and you're going to put your hands behind your back.
Sir, let me get up and out.
Hands behind, no, put your hands behind your back right now.
I'm testing it out.
No.
You're choking me, sir.
You're not going anywhere. Put your hands behind your back right
I
now.
can't breathe. I'm trying to work with you.
You're not. Listen.
Why are you
Your
not
hands behind
trying to
your
work?
back.
I'm trying to.
No, you're not going to go inside the house. Stay here.
I'm not doing this. Why are you pulling on me like this?
Because you have a warrant and you're not cooperative and you're resisting.
I am being corrupt. Just let me go. Please.
You need to stop.
You're doing all of this for.
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't touching you.
Back. Get back. Hands behind your back. Resisting.
Look, I'm pitching on us.
Dude, stop. You are under arrest. You're going to jail. Stop resisting now. Stop.
I'm trying to catch my breath. Please, let me catch my breath.
Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. You're going to get tased. Stop resisting.
You need to listen to us.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I'm trying to catch my breath.
Okay, we'll let you. We'll let you, but you need to go in handcuffs. We will let you.
Dude,
Okay.
can y'all please listen?
We will.
Listen, man.
We need to get you in custody right now.
No, he's trying to get back in the house.
It's your chair right there. I'm trying. Sir, listen.
No, you're going to be in handcuffs right now.
Sir, please
Stop. Stop resisting.
No, he's putting your cover. I'm not resisting.
Okay, other hand behind your back.
No, please sit down. He's killing me.
I know, bro. Just chill, bro. You can get this hand back here. I'm ready. Stop. Put your hand behind your back. So put your hand behind your back.
That's him.
Put your hand
I'm
behind your
trying
back.
to catch my breath first.
Oh, you're pulling your arm away.
I think the sucker's in the way. Just pull something up.
Please sit right there, right there.
Just no. Just wait.
While 35-year-old Lindsay had clearly refused to identify himself or resist arrest, he tells a very different story to others about how the incident actually went down.
That's the curve, right on that curve, right there.
No, I can't. Sir, they're trying
We're going to that chair out there. You're not going by the house.
Sir, it's a chair. Can you move that right there so I can sit down?
He's pulling it over.
Let's go to the chair right here. You can sit down.
Sit. We'll get an ambulance to check you out. Sit down here.
You beat the out of me in front of these kids and everybody.
Sit down, man.
He just beat me up.
Now.
No, I'm not. He just beat me up. Travis. He just beat me up. He just did me. He just beat me up. Look at this officer right here.
Yeah, because you're not listening. You're resisting.
No, I
You
wasn't.
denied being Lindsay.
And I was trying to sit down.
Okay, sit down.
You beat me, bro.
Sit down. This
You
could have been a lot
just beat me
easier.
up,
Sit
bro.
down. You wanted to sit down.
Can you please keep your hands off of me, sir? Please, can y'all please back him away from me?
What's your first
He
name?
just beat me up, bro.
Lindsay?
Hey, Lindsay, listen to me.
Hey, all you guys go to the front.
I need to ambulance. Can I get some water at least, please, sir? I'm scared of you. I don't want you to go. Please don't attack me no more, sir. Please don't hit. I'm not resisting. I'm not doing nothing. I just want to sit there. I'm trying to, but I'm scared. I'm scared he's going to attack me again. He beat the piss out of me for no reason.
No, you have warrants. I told you that.
No.
You're under arrest. You resisted. Nobody struck you. Nobody hit you. So right now you're under arrest. You got a warrant out of Milwaukee County. You've got a warrant out of La Crosse County.
Just let me go. I just wanted to sit down and catch my breath.
No, you were trying to go back in the house.
No, I was not. I
Yes, you
never
were.
was even in the house. Your body cam go, no, you're going to go to jail too. I'm pressing charges.
You get him a glass of water or something like that.
I can get him a glass of water.
If you live here.
Yeah, I live right here.
Okay, all right.
He just beat me up, man. What's his badge number? Is it? Hey,
Just for
get his, hey, right now his badge number and everything, please.
It'll be on your paperwork.
We have an ambulance coming to check you out, okay? Are you good?
Hey, Lindsay, please help me. Take him away from me, please.
Where's that at?
left pocket, sweatshirt pocket.
Okay.
What?
Thanks, man.
Here's some water for you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, please. Pick me up like that. I can't believe it.
Do you want your shorts back on on, Lindsay?
Sir, can you please stay away from me, sir? Please.
Your decisions and actions drove this, okay? I hope you're not hurt.
Your body cam
but when you
showed that
resisted lying about your name?
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
You just tried to, you just literally tried to by yourself. Yes, he was. He didn't do no legal grounds or nothing. It was all offense, no nothing. I'm pressing charges, yes, please.
That's fine. We'll give you paperwork to file a complaint.
I don't need your paperwork, sir.
Okay.
I know how to file a complaint.
Alrighty.
You hit my head against that rock, you can't say you didn't do that. Even the little kid said, why you just do me like that?
Where are you all hurt? What all hurts?
Like, you scared, bro.
I do, because we're going to get an ambulance to check you out. Could have been very simple.
You just did.
On May 6, 2025, in La Crosse, Wisconsin, police officers spotted a 35-year-old man named Lindsay who had multiple active felony warrants. When officers attempted to arrest him, Lindsay denied his identity and failed to follow police commands, which led to a physical struggle during the arrest. Lindsay claimed that officers used unnecessary force and caused him injuries. However, officers stated that Lindsay was resisting arrest and that they were only trying to control him. Following the incident, Lindsay faced several charges, including resisting an officer, bail jumping, and battery. He later entered a no-contest plea to some charges.
This could have been very simple. You could have said, yeah, I'm Lindsay. I would have said, you got a warrant. We're going to check on it. It would have put you in handcuffs. None of this would have happened, okay? You created the circumstances here.
You did all it is. And I'm telling you, please stop in front of these kids. All I'm going to do is get to that little brown thing to sit down and catch my breath.
Let's not talk about your actions in this.
We're not talking about my actions. We're talking about your actions,
And what I'm saying is your actions created this
No,
situation.
your actions created this situation.
Besides your knee and your foot, what all hurts?
You know what you did. You ran my head into that brick. You know what the you did, bro. Ain't no body cam gonna show it.
Okay.
So I hope it was
Besides that, your head hurt?
My head, my arms.
Okay.
You need me in my growings. Like,
your what now?
You need me in my testicles. You need me in my area.
If that happened, it was unintentional.
Yes, it was. You know what you was doing when you assaulted me. Hey, can you please write down your phone numbers and stuff for me?
I think it's that one.
No, 25 right here.
Meet me up in front of them kids, bro. Like, what type of person are you, bro? You know I wasn't even resisting it. I'm telling you I got breathing problems. Everybody's telling you that. And I'm just trying to get right there to sit down. And you want to go grab and try to slap me. And then it slams me. I'm telling you, I'm not resisting. I'm even giving you my hand. I reached out my hand so you could grab it. I'm telling you, I'm finna just sit down and catch my breath. But you still want to try to attack, and then you gonna ram my head into that brick? Like, what was you thinking? Like, okay, yeah, I'm big, but I did not put up no fight or nothing against you. If I wanted to, I would have got away if I wanted to fight with you.
You want some more water before the fire department checks you out?
Like, I ain't want no fight. Like,
Get some medical attention.
you just attacked and beat me up like that. I can't believe you, bro. Like, in front of kids, bro. That's why I ain't do nothing. I'm compliant with you, bro. You literally beat me until I pissed and came out my clothes. Man, everything, your body cam gonna show it, bro.
Yep, Sergeant's full of
I hope you do some good editing.
And even once the sergeant and medic show up, the officer's version and Lindsay's story keep conflicting.
So this is Lindsay. He's got an FTA out of La Crosse for possession with intent heroin. He's got an FTA out of Milwaukee, or I think new charges potentially. Heroin with intent, use of a dangerous weapon, firearm by a felon.
Yep. He's got a ton of warrants.
I stopped by, I actually saw him earlier, I recognized him. He's over there seated. I recognized him, I couldn't remember his name. I ran it. So I drove by, he was sitting out here. Earlier the kid was with a bunch of kids. A gentleman in the blue sweatshirt, they're standing like near the tree. I walked up, I was like, hey Mason, blue guy's already kind of running interference, like trying to head me off. I was like, hey Lindsay. No, I'm not. Hold on. He starts pulling away and he goes like this. Kind of grabs onto the back of the guy, like blue sweatshirt, and said, "You got a warrant. You're under arrest. Just relax."
He grabbed the guy in the blue sweatshirt.
Yeah, he's like using him to like shield him from me. I hold on to his left arm. He's trying to pull away from me. He's trying to get back inside the house. He kept pulling up towards the house, so we ended up knocking over like the grill that's there. I tried to take him down a couple times and he's so big I couldn't get a hold on him. He was able to post up right away because he's so big, so I'm like trying to ride him. I didn't strike him or anything. He's saying I banged his head off the rocks. It could have happened. I was simply trying to control him and prevent him from going into the house. Meanwhile, blue sweatshirt, I think there's one other guy who was walking around really close proximity. So I was just trying to keep them out here. They started pulling up. I ended up kind of decentralizing them over where that green flower pot is and just trying to hold on to him. He's like,
That green flower pot on the steps.
yeah, this one that's sitting over.
Can you breathe better now, though? No. Well, they're here to check you out, okay?
I can't believe it. Oh, still, like,
Well, we put 2 sets of handcuffs on you.
I know
too.
y'all did. Like, I apologize that all this happened. Like, I wasn't resisting. Like, I just want to get right there to that brown thing and sit down like I was telling y'all.
Well, Officer Emmer's a pretty reasonable guy. If you would have just talked to him.
That's what I was trying to do. Like, we tried to. Like, I wasn't just.
So he got cut up pretty good. He's complaining of not being able to breathe very well, head pain.
My head got rammed into that brick right there. Intentionally, not unintentionally. My arm.
Want to grab the trauma bag too?
Y'all write down their number and
What happened? He was just taken down, or what? How did he?
Well, it looks his foot. I think he stepped on glass, and yeah, he got.
This is what happened. We were standing on the corner. He went past, come back around, trying to question, and I tell him like, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not breaking the law, so I don't have to talk to you. So if you want to talk to me, we should come right here and sit down and talk.
Kind of got him down on his hands and knees, facing like towards the house, and he's saying like I banged his head off the rocks. I kneed him in the groin. I beat him. I didn't strike him or anything. I was simply trying to control him. He's like, I was just telling you I wanted to sit. I had breathing problems. Like he was pulling away resistant the entire time, denied who he was. And then the woman walks over. She's like, "Hey, Lindsay." So I knew who he was. So he's probably gonna want to talk to you, but he's claiming I just absolutely walloped him. I didn't strike him once.
Is this the guy in the blue sweatshirt that was involved?
Yeah.
Was he kind of like thrust into it? Was he obstructing?
No, he didn't really. Like once he kind of got away from him grabbing onto the back of him, he was like close, but he didn't grab me or try to help him or anything like that. But he was like, "He's not Lindsay. He's not Lindsay."
You haven't ID'd him or anything, have you?
No. I'll have somebody else transport him and do all that because he's just not a fan of me.
Yeah, we'll have to have
He got a little bit of weed on him too.
two people go with him.
I got like a bunch of his spit straight in my mouth.
Do you have the number?
414.
I don't think it was intentional, but
414.
Yeah, he was kind of just spitting, but he kept trying to like grab onto me and you too.
During the struggle, Lindsay had fallen off a propane fire pit style fixture filled with glass or ceramic stones, injuring both himself and the first officer. He had also tried to grab the female officer by the waist and was dangerously close to grabbing her firearm, scratched the other officer's arm, and even spat on them.
Got the photos of injuries. He said his head hurt, his arms hurt, some scrapes. I think I'm good. Just simply trying to control him.
Did anybody get hurt or just?
Pushpin Summary 2, Lessons/Mistakes to Avoid. This incident highlights several important lessons. One major mistake was refusing to cooperate with police and denying identity, which escalated the situation and made it more dangerous. Remaining calm and following lawful commands could have prevented the physical confrontation. Another mistake was resisting arrest and arguing with officers, which can lead to additional and more serious criminal charges. In situations like this, the safest approach is to cooperate during the arrest, and if someone believes excessive force was used, they can file a legal complaint afterward through proper legal channels.
I think you might have spit on.
No, I never spit.
Not on. I don't think you were doing it intentionally, but.
Where's your head hurt?
On my forehead.
Lindsay, she didn't answer, but I'll keep trying, okay?
Okay, and then can you make sure you get his information because he literally beat me out here in front of these kids for no reason.
Yes, I'll make sure, okay? You're okay, and I'll be okay, okay?
You want some water?
Yes. This toe is pretty bad, and I'm not
Ready?
gonna
Let me know if you need more.
I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy, bro.
Watch your feet too on that glass.
He's saying I need him in the groin. He's saying I was beating on him. He's saying I slammed his head off a rock. I didn't strike him at all. If there was any, if he did his off a rock or anything, it was completely unintentional because of how he was resisting.
You see he was on the whole time?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, from the moment I walked up.
All right, perfect. Yeah, just so you're good though.
Yeah, I'm good.
My arm, my neck.
Just gonna feel around a little.
Come on, please don't push it.
Okay.
On this side over here, my right side.
This side.
Please don't push that hard.
Despite Lindsay's version of events, the outstanding warrants and the officers' accounts make it clear that the outcome is pretty much set.
You're gonna be cool with us when we get you in soft restraints, man.
I ain't like that, bro. I was just trying to sit down and catch some air to breathe, bro.
You just gotta listen.
He
to
just
us,
whooped
right?
my ass, bro.
I can tell you it's at least 300.
Dude just did all this for $300. He just beat the out
Well,
of me
I don't know
for
what your warrant,
$300.
I don't know what the bail on your warrant is or the bond.
If he just beat me up like that for $300,
That's an additional charge. I don't know what your warrant says.
I didn't even know I had one.
Did you get your body worn camera on by chance?
Yeah, turn it on as soon as I got out of the car. Mid kind of struggle and it was on. So
Perfect.
yeah, I'm like 99% sure it was on. Heroin with or coke with intent, heroin with intent. FDA warrant for here for heroin with intent, and I think there's more charges out of Milwaukee.